What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Friday, April 25th, and we are back at Costco. Today's video, we have huge amount of clearance here at the warehouse. But before we begin the video, I quickly want to mention, once again, do not forget about our giveaway. We're giving away a free NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe Single Serve Blender. It's absolutely free to enter the giveaway. A link will be in the description. A link will be in the comments section. Just click that link and follow the directions. Let's get into the video. And starting the video off, in the number 1 spot, we have the Ninja Foodie right in front of us. Now, this model is currently on clearance. They did come out with a newer model called the Ninja Flip, which is right next to it. Sometimes they'll mix a couple in the bunch here. Sometimes people hide them in the back. But the new Ninja Flip is very nice. It's a 10-in-1 toaster oven air fryer that does have the added broil rack. This is very nice air fryer. Now, currently, the Ninja Flip is not on clearance, obviously. That's $179.99. But the Ninja Foodie, the one I'm talking about, which is right next to it, the older model, that one's on clearance for $99.97. Some people may have it, some people may not. It's pretty much sold out everywhere. When you're looking at the Ninja Flip, check in the back. Sometimes people like to hide them. But if you do find this, it's on clearance for $99.97. I have it pulled up right on the app. Check out that price, $99.97. And moving on, in the number 2 spot from Bodum, we still have their 4-pack of mugs on clearance. Now, they did bring the price down just a tiny bit, but still, a savings is a savings, and this is a pretty good deal. A lot of warehouses still have a lot of inventory of these Bodum mugs still left. Now, these are coming a 4-pack. They're 13.5 ounces each mug. Now, if it does drop in price, I may be tempted to pick one up myself, even though I'm not too crazy about them, but for the right price, why not? Now, these are pretty nice. Look at that price, $9.97. Why not even at that price? But I am going to wait. I want to see if it drops down to $5. And to the left, we do have the very popular Fortessas. Now, these are currently not on clearance, but they have been marked discontinued. A lot of people have been waiting for these to drop on clearance, and these will definitely drop on clearance. Now, we have the blue and we have the clear. These are $29.99. You do get 8 glasses per box. They have that nice beaded design to them. These are 13 ounces in size. They're very nice. I like the clear ones. If these drop in price, I'm talking about the same thing. Maybe $15, 50% off would be a good buy. But as of now, they're $29.99. Keep your eyes on this drinkware. Don't forget about the bowls behind us from also Fortessa. Now, I've seen this as low as $5.97 at some warehouses. Now, these do come in a 6-pack, 6 bowls per box. These are the Jupiters. Now, we have 2 different colors. We have one that's clear. Now, these are technically called green, but they have more of a smoked look to them. Now, a lot of people complain because they are kind of small, but these are very nice. If you want to make little fruit parfaits, they're pretty nice. I love the texture of them. These are pretty cool. Now, these are not microwave safe, same as the glasses, but they are dishwasher safe. 6 bowls, and these are 13.5 ounces. And we've seen these candles quite a few times on my channel, but today we do have a drastic price drop. Now, these are the Fusion Fairy LED candles. They're flameless. They have a remote control. They're nice. Now, they have 2 color options, so make sure when you do grab them, you have the silver, and they also have the gold. I personally like the gold. Now, these come in a 5-pack per box, a remote control, and today we have a drastic price drop. They look pretty nice. Especially for the price, not bad at all. They look really good at nighttime, but check out this new price, only $6.97. And speaking of candles, why not show you the Antigua, this famous candle that was originally $99, but check out this price. They keep on cutting the price, and we still have some inventory left at my local warehouse, but it's not much left. But check out the new price, $29.97. And moving on to the number 7 spot from Seville, we have their very popular teak bench. Now, this bench is very nice, very heavy duty, has a weight capacity of 330 pounds, not bad at all. It's naturally water resistant because it is teak, 100% certified teak wood. I do like the design of it a lot. Has handles on the side of it so you can pick it up pretty easily, and it does look very nice, you know. The price is not bad as well. You do have to be aware of these clearance prices. Sometimes they just drop it a little bit, but here it is, $49.97. Definitely wait for a larger price drop. In the number 8 spot, this time from Kohler, we have their very popular vanity mirror. Now, this mirror is the Talon. I haven't seen it in too many other colors, just the matte black. There were some other color options available online, but not from Costco. So here it is. Now you can mount this horizontal or vertically. Looks great both ways in my opinion. I do like the mirror. It has a nice picture frame design to it with a black matte finish around it. Very nice mirror from Kohler. The original price, like I mentioned, was $100, but you can grab it now on clearance. Check out that new price, only $59.97. What a great buy. If you need a vanity mirror, this is the one to grab, especially at this price point. In the number 9 spot, one of every kid's dream, we have the Crocodile Cave Adventure Water Slide. Even though it's still very expensive, it does look super fun. It's exciting, it's entertaining. Every kid's going to love it. You're going to be a hit around the neighborhood when you set this up. Now, it is constructed out of heavy-duty materials. It's powered by high-quality air blowers, so keep that in mind. It inflates in just minutes. Super cool. It's fast, it's simple, it inflates in just minutes, it deflates pretty easily, and it does come with a storage bag, but you do have to pay attention to the clearance price. Now, these are selling out pretty quickly at this price, even though the price is not that drastic. It's on clearance, but it's not that great. It's a good price, but it's not unbelievable. And these are selling out very, very quickly. I do hope they drop even more. Maybe I'll bite. Now, we've definitely seen this in my video a couple weeks ago, one of my discontinued videos. This has been marked discontinued, and I told everyone to keep an eye on it because it's definitely going to drop on clearance. Now, this is the Kirkland Driver, but the older model. Only one left at my local warehouse, and we do have a manager special, what we're looking at. Now, the Kirkland Drivers, the putters, they're awesome. They hit well. This one's $109 even, a fantastic price. And let's go check out the Legos very quickly, see what we can find on clearance. We have the Lego Fountain Garden. We've seen this before. 1,302 pieces. Fantastic price. A great build. A lot of kids love this one, the Fountain Garden. I do believe it may drop in price a little bit more, but it's still a fantastic price at $59.97. 1,302 pieces. Recommended 18 plus. We also have the very popular Star Wars, the Grogu, right next to it. Another great kit to pick up. Even though this one's not on clearance, it's still a fantastic price. 1,048 pieces, great for the ages of 10 plus. This is another hot seller here at Costco, and it has been marked discontinued, as you can see there. A great buy, even though it's not on clearance. And then we have the very popular Speed Champions. Now, when these first came out, these sold like hotcakes. They were selling left and right. We have 2 or 3 different variations. I forget now. I think 3 in total. Or 4, excuse me, 4 variations, $21.99. And before we move on, this one's not actually on clearance, but let me just quickly mention it once again. The very popular Pikachu has been brought down in price even more. It's down to $19.99. Not on clearance, hasn't been marked discontinued. They're just bringing the price down even more. The 24-inch Squishmallow Pikachu, check out that price, $19.99. Awesome price. In the number 13 spot from Enertech, we have their LED color changing rope lights. Now, these are pretty awesome. I did pick up a few boxes for myself. My plan was to hire an arborist to climb my tree and then wrap it from the very top all the way down to the bottom. I thought my little one would love that. Now, I bought 3 or 4 boxes, I forget, but I bought them at $14.97, and they are selling a lot slower than I anticipated. But check out that price drop, pretty awesome. They have 12 color settings, 8 different animations. Now, you do get 2 rope lengths, 18 feet in length, which is pretty awesome. It does include a remote control, $9.97. And we do have another manager special at my local warehouse. We have the miniature Zodiac bottles of brandy here. Now, these are pretty awesome. The craftsmanship are amazing. Check out this dragon. Looks so cool. If it breaks, no worries. I'm definitely going to drink it, even though it's during the day. I'm not going to let it go to waste. No worries there. But the dragon is amazing. Check it out. Now, these are Napoleon brandy. We get 12 per box, 12 months, obviously. And these are on clearance. Manager special, $117 and even. And it does seem like every week we're seeing 1 or 2 TVs go on clearance. Now we got the Bravia 7 right in front of us. Now this TV is pretty awesome. 65-inch Bravia 7. It does come with the All-State plan, so that means 5 years of total coverage. So you don't have to worry about anything for 5 years. Pretty awesome price. It's also available at Costco.com, but you definitely want to buy it here at the warehouse. This TV is amazing. If you haven't watched my top 20 best TVs here at Costco, make sure you go ahead and watch that TV. This is on clearance for $1,199.97. And next up from Epson, we have our ET3850. We've seen this before. Now, some warehouses, it may not be on clearance. You may see a discount. It may be on sale, $100 off the price for $278.99. But at my local warehouse, it's on clearance for $279.97. Now, the manufacturer rebate sale that's going on, that ends May 10th. So after the 10th, I do believe this price is going to drop drastically, maybe down to under $200. We still have the ET2850. If you have that at your local warehouse, make sure you buy this if it's around $100. Don't buy it for $200. Make sure it's $100. It's not really a great deal at $199.97. We only have one left at my local warehouse. Now, if you do get a manager special down to $100, grab it. Now, they have the new model out here. Now, we're looking at right in front of us. This is the ET2988. Now, this model does look nice and updated. It's $249.99 currently, but when it goes on sale, it's going to drop down under $200. That's why I say don't buy the ET2850. And look what I just found out of the blue from Seagate. 8 terabyte backup plus hub. That's amazing. 3.0 USB, 8 terabytes. Wow. And you're going to be really surprised with this price. It's only $99.97. There's only 3 or 4 left at my local warehouse here in Waltham. Everett. But check out that price at $99.97. And moving on to the number 19 spot, this time we have the very popular Duracell flashlights. Now, I do get a lot of comments here and there saying, oh, we never get to see clearance at my local warehouse. There may be a couple of reasons for that. Now, remember, we are competing against resellers here and employees. A lot of employees like to buy this stuff. They're well aware of the 97s. They're well aware of the manager specials when they go on sale. Now, obviously, these flashlights are still a little bit high for resellers. These currently go for $31 on Amazon, but they are on clearance for $19.97. When they drop down to $9, $10, those are going to sell in a flash. In the number 19 spot from Fight, we've seen this a few times, a nice price drop down to $14.97. Now, I do love this lantern, but it does have a lot of mixed reviews online. A lot of people struggle with mounting it. Now, I personally have bought in 2 or 3 of them, but I haven't actually got the chance to mount them yet. One screw has given everyone a difficult time. Fight's well aware of the problem here, but it does look pretty sharp. 800 lumens. Check out the new clearance price, $14.97. In the number 20 spot, we did come across another return pallet right in front of us. These are all new returns that Costco doesn't, people bought them maybe a couple of months ago and then they returned them and they no longer carry them. So they'll put them in a little section of the store and people will pick them up very, very quickly. $69.99 for the Delta Children bookcase. I haven't seen that one in a long time, maybe a year. And then right in front of us, we have the Lunar New Year, the bear with the lantern, the money bag, $38.88. They did keep the original price with the triple H's for the good luck. And then we have the Kit Craft Building Bricks Mega Table. Check out that price, $79.97. If it was a little cheaper, I would buy it for my little one, but still a little bit high, so I may wait to see if that one drops. And look at the Perma Steel. Look how much is left of this one. People have been buying this one up left and right. Not too many left. This will definitely be gone by the end of the week. They have one on display here. Pretty nice. I'm still not crazy about the price, even though it's not too bad at this price point. $24.97. I may bite before it does sell out if it drops a little bit more. $24.97. I'm sure they have it at other warehouses, but this one local to me, almost gone. And it looks like Costco's bringing out the Squishmallows once again. Now, these are the mini plush 8-pack of Squishmallows. They're assorted, and these are 5-inch, the 5-inch mini 8-pack here. Now, these are ultra soft, spandex, polyester filled Squishmallows, recommended for the ages of 3+. These are super fun, super cute for your little ones. $9.97, great price. In the number 23 spot, if you have this at your local warehouse, definitely pick it up. This stuff is awesome. Matzah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But only part is I can eat the whole box in one sitting. I don't know what it is. I love the crunch. The macros are not too bad. The ingredients are pretty good. So 250 calories per serving here. 1 whole matzah, 61 grams of carbs, 9 grams of protein. But check out the ingredients. Wheat flour and water only. That's it. $6.97. Clean ingredients. Great price. In the number 24 spot, right in front of us, now these are so awesome. I love the color of them, so awesome. Now these are handmade ceramic planters. They have a glazed ceramic finish to them. Great for indoor and outdoor. They're 16.5 inches wide by 20.5 inches height. These are awesome. They're pre-drilled drain holes in them. These are super cool. I do like them a lot. They hold about 45 quarts and they look amazing in person. I do like these a lot. Currently on clearance. I need about 4 at my house, maybe a little bit more. I like the dark navy ones as well. Those are very sharp. These are $29.97. I'm hoping they do slash even more in price so I can grab 4 of them. In the number 25 spot from Steve Madden, we have the ladies blazers. We have the gray available and we have the black available, extra small, all the way up to 2XL. Now, I do not know what's going on with all these wrinkles, like someone was rolling around in it here at the warehouse, jumping around, but I will put up a nice visualization so you can take a peek of what it actually looks like, just in case you want to buy it, have it dry cleaned. But anyways, it's available at Costco online for $14.97. Here at the warehouse, you can pick it up for $6.97, half the price. And I think my last discontinued video, I did mention that the ladies' leggings from Montanta are going to go on clearance. And here it is. They have finally marked it on clearance. Not too many left at my local warehouse. Now, a lot of ladies love the Montanta leggings here. Now, these are active leggings. They look great. 3 different colors to choose from, the black, the blue, and the maroon. They've currently marked it down to $9.97. I do believe it may drop even a little bit more. We also have the Adidas leggings as well. Now, these look awesome too. I like these leggings a lot. I should have picked up a couple of pairs. Not for me, obviously, for my wife. But anyways, these are fantastic. They look awesome. I like these a lot. So these are the Adidas leggings here. We have sizes small all the way up to XL, and these are also available at my local warehouse, $9.97. And it's pretty obvious that all the Easter items here at Costco are going to be on clearance. We have the Welch's fruit snacks right in front of us. Now these are on clearance, $4.97. These are perfect for the egg hunt. Now I did an egg hunt this year for my son and my nephews. It was super fun, but I did run to CVS last minute to pick up some chocolates, and I couldn't believe the prices on some of these chocolates. Shame on you, CVS. $20 for a bag of candy. That's outrageous. But anyways, moving along, this is actually a new arrival in my warehouse. Check out the new hostas. Now, these are awesome at these price point. But if you do have a chance, check out your local marketplace. Sometimes you can find a larger, mature hostas for pretty much the same price if you do want to dig them out yourself. We have the azaleas on clearance as well, $19.97. Now, these have flowered already. They're flowering here at the warehouse, but you still can pick through them and grab a couple of good ones here. Not bad at all for these. These are 4-gallon azaleas. These are, 5 gallons. This is a great price, $19.97. It's probably going to drop down even more if you don't mind waiting, but they're not going to look that great. And I showed this in my video the other day, the green giants available. These are awesome. $34.99, not to be confused with the emeralds. These are a little bit different. These grow very, very fast. Those are the emeralds right in front of us, the emerald green giants. And those are the, not emerald arborvitaes, excuse me. And then we have the green giant arborvitaes, $34.99. All right, friends, end of the video here. I hope you did enjoy today's video, and I do want to apologize very quickly. I feel like I rushed today's video, but that's okay. I'm in the middle of remodeling my kitchen, just took down a load-bearing wall, and my household is a disaster. If you did enjoy today's video and you want to support the channel, subscribe. If you did enjoy today's video and you want to support the channel even further, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you enter our giveaway. It's completely free. Link will be in the comment section. Link will be in the description. Click the link, follow the directions, enter the giveaway. It's completely free. We're giving away a NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe single serve blender. Now, the original price of this blender was $119.99. Obviously, I bought it on clearance, but make sure you enter the giveaway. It's completely free. I'll see you soon, friends. Peace. Oh, and I forgot to tell everybody, enjoy your weekend. Peace.